your girl Hettyamens. Hi, what's up? It's your girl Hettyamens and it's your girl Hettyamens. Thank you for clicking to watch this video. If you are new on my channel, you are most definitely welcome, and if you are an old subby, you are most definitely welcome for always coming back to check up on more. Yes, in this video we are installing this frontal. Yes, this frontal is by my company. It is 26 inches water wave. It is loose water wave, I should say, and we use the bold cap method and then a glue, Ghostbond Glue, that I will leave the link in the description box. I decided to install this water wave for you guys to see how, you know, we're looking cute and my frontal, and we decided to do this half up, half down. I'm looking yummy. I'm looking yummy. It is 2021, okay? So we're going long inches. We are going all out. If you want to have details on this hair or purchase any other wig from my company is HBP Wigs. Follow us on Instagram at HBP Wigs or Hetty's Beauty Parlor. I will leave links or details in the description box if you want to. We ship worldwide and our wigs are 100% machine sewn. So let's get in straight into this video. Thank you for watching. Okay, so what I have here is a 26 inches loose wave. It's a frontal, machine sewn. It comes with elastic band and then combs, and then that is my trademark HBP Wigs. As I said, this comes with bleached knots, and yeah, we are coming to install this. So first of all, to be able to blend with the scalp and then the knot with my skin tone, I use my foundation shade to brush underneath the frontal so that you don't have that gray or ashy look. And then I use my heat protectant from GOT2BE to help me lay down the hairs at the edge line to avoid any strands of hair whilst, you know, installing it. So you do your bald cap method and then place the hair on your head. I already cut the ear tab when I was doing it because I knew my ear tab size. So what I'm using is a glue that I purchased from Amazon, and it says Ghostbond with extra moisture control. So I will leave the link in the description box. I purchased on Amazon, and then I apply thin layers onto my face, my forehead, or just at the edge of my hairline as I'm doing. And then I use my Primark hand hair dryer to make it go clear. So I do this 3 times. When it's clear, then I place the wig or the frontal onto the tacky feel of the glue that I placed on. So most of these would have to be self-explained, so I don't want to actually bother you much. Follow the video and I will come back when I have to. So what I'm doing is I'm using the dryer in a heat mode to melt the lace into my skin even the more. So whilst everything is perfect to my liking, I use the GOT2BE FRITZSPRAY to, you know, give me an extra hold as well. Then I also go over with the hand dryer. So when I know everything is completely sealed and dry, I then go over with the elastic band. You can use a satin headband as well, and I also go over with the heat. Doing all these process just to have the perfect melt. So afterwards you can see everything is all laid, everything looks so natural. So I already had parted the hair to the left side because I wanted a deep left side part, but later we'll do the half up, half down. So we now have to cut the excess lace off of our hairline. So I do it in zigzag motion. Take your time and follow the natural shape of your hairline. Be careful not to cut yourself. So as you can see, it looks all natural because we allow the hair dryer to have some heating effect, so everything looks all melted. If you see an excess jaggedy look of the lace on there, you can go ahead to trim it off. Just follow the natural shape of your hairline. So the whitish you see underneath is the frizz spray, but don't worry, we'll fix that. We are now taking some hairs out, or strands of hair for the baby hairs. So I just picked 3, right? One here, the next here, and then the next will be the, is it the 5-5? If it's too much, you can go ahead to take some. So basically, this is what I do, and to make it more flatter, I use my hot comb that I also ordered from AliExpress. I can leave the link in the description box, to make the rest of the hair go back and keep it away from the rest that I'm going to use as the baby hairs, and then also tie it again. And afterwards, when everything is all laid and flat, I go on to trim or cut the baby hairs even shorter to have that natural look. So I'm using my Cantu Natural Wave Whip Curling Mousse to work on the edges. Why I didn't use the GOT2BE gel is that it makes it look too stiff, and I wanted that natural flowy edges. For edges, just follow what works for you. It can also be a struggle for me as well. So if you are watching this video to this end and you are wondering if you want to purchase this wig or any other wig you've ever seen me wear on my channel, or any other wigs you would want to see from me, just log on to Instagram at HBP Wigs as the name of the logo, and just chat us in the DM. So what you saw me spray on is also the Cantu heat protectant. That is what I use before I use an iron or a hot tool on my hair to prevent heat damage. So what I'm doing is, because we are doing half up, half down, I'm just trying to get the hair in front as flat as possible, and I'm using this washi also I had from AliExpress that I can link the video. I can link the site in the description box. Sorry. I basically try my best to get it as flat, smooth as possible, like a permed hair. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to blend the frontal to the rest of the hair. So I put some few hair to cover the hairline of where the tracks is. You can see the scalp looks real because it came not bleached, and we used our foundation shade to do the knots. So I'm just trying to create volume. I think from here you guys can just watch and see me struggle as I get my style across. So from here, what I do is I just spray some water bottle with leave-in conditioner to make the curls even pop them more. But before you do this, make sure you detangle the hair with your hands and then a big tooth comb or brush to get all the knots or the tangles out, and then just have to spray in with water with leave-in conditioner and some hair oil. In my case, I use jasmine hair oil, and this is how the finished look is. It is a loose wave, 26 inches looking yummy. Oh, so I want to say thank you for watching this tutorial. If you are interested in more other tutorials, let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like, comment, and then let me know what kind of videos you want to see me do next, or other tutorials you want to see me do next. But on that note, don't forget to subscribe so you get updated on any new updates or any new videos I upload on here. I upload on Wednesdays and Sundays, 4 p.m. European time. Thank you for watching. It's your girl Hettyamens. You can actually purchase this wig or any other wig on my channel or on my Instagram page at HBP Wigs or Hetty's Beauty Parlor. All other information you need is in the description box. Thank you.
So fragile, like it was built to break off the handle. How'd we get to this place? We've